Today we are out here at Paramount Ranch to nurture some trees out in the mountains that were affected by the Woolsey Fire. And it's a lot of essentially watering the plants, taking out any weeds that could be detrimental to their growth, and ensuring that we have more beautiful oaks like this out here in the future.
It's just not that we're building a product which is a sustainable product. We are also, as you see, we are here. So we are basically taking care of the nature in every possible way we can.
Being part of a group that is in sync when it comes to sustainability, you almost feel like you've connected with your tribe, right? You've connected with people that you didn't know, but you've known them your entire life. You immediately have that connection, and being able to do that outdoors in nature, I mean, it just adds that additional factor of just camaraderie, of loving nature, of making an impact, and that's why we're all here.